Union and intersection of sets. What is a union set? A set that contains all the elements in both sets. Ibig sabihin nun, i-combine natin yung mga elements ng dalawang sets. Halimbawa, set E is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4. And set B is a set of 5, 6, 7, and 8. So, pag i-combine natin yung A and B, ibig sabihin, kukunin natin yung A union B. So, therefore, A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Kasi ito yung numbers na makikita mo sa both sets. Next, we have what is an intersection of sets? A set that contains the common element of both sets. Ibig sabihin, hanapin natin yung common elements ng dalawang set. Halimbawa, set A is a set of A, E, E, O. Set B is a set of A, B, C, D, E. So, kung hahanapin natin yung common elements or magkakapareho na elements sa dalawang set, ang element na magkakapareho ay yung A at saka yung E. So, therefore, we can say that A intersection B is equal to A and E. Kasi, yan lang ang magkakapareho, yan at A at saka itong E. So, it's that clear? So, let's proceed to the next. Kung meron tayong set A, B, and C, then if you are going to find the following, A union C, ibig sabihin, i-combine natin si A and C. So, itong set A is i-combine natin sa set C. So, therefore, ang elements na pag i-combine natin, A union C, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 8. Kasi, okay kasi yan yung mga elements na makikita natin about sa A and C. Next, we have B union C. Ibig sabihin, ang i-combine natin yung B at saka C. B union C, we have 2, 4, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, yan yung mga elements na makikita natin both set. B and C, set C. Let's proceed to the next, A intersection C. A intersection C, ibig sabihin, hanapin natin yung common elements ng A at saka C. So, yung common elements sa both A and C are 2 and 4. Yan yung mga common elements. So, therefore, A intersection C is equal to 2 and 4. Let's proceed to the next, A intersection B. So, therefore, we are going to find the common elements of A and B. So, yung common elements dyan sa A and B, I think 4 lang yan. So, masasabi natin that A intersection B is equal to 4. So, hopefully, maliwanag sa inyo kung ano yung union and intersection. So, pag sinabi natin union, ito yung symbol niya, parang yun, at pag sinabi naman nating intersection, ito namang simbolo niya, parang baliktad naman na U. Yan, so madali lang tandaan, union of sets, all the elements in both sets, intersection of the sets naman, common elements of the both sets. So that's all. Thank you. Again, I am your teacher, Beth.